What's up, guys? My name's Ethan. Today's my day off, and something cool just came in the mail. Kinda. I don't know yet, but we're about to find out together. So I paid $200 for this thing. $200. It had like a 20% coupon or $20 off coupon. It was like $220 or something. I don't know. Super cheap. So I got gas. I got a helmet. This all adds up though. Like that cost me $80 to swap out, which is, I thought was outrageous. I haven't done it in a while. But $80 to swap out that little thing? That thing. You're telling me that thing costs $80 to swap out? I was a little outraged by it. But anyway, let's get to the video. I'm gonna show you guys how it welds. I'm gonna show you some of the quality on this thing, which is kind of, and it came not so great. So anyway, stay tuned. Hopefully you guys watch this video. Hope you guys like this video. Whoever watches it, I have no idea. I'm not getting very many views, but hopefully that all changes right now. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you what I was talking about quality-wise. Like, so when I got this thing, that was broke, little piece of plastic. Not a big deal. It doesn't look like it. I mean, I don't really see that doing much. But then if you guys can look in there, there's a little O-ring. See if you guys see it. Yeah, it's like coming apart already. And I just opened this out of the package. And another thing, so this was new. Like, I bought a new one. I think you can buy used ones on Amazon. But look how dirty this thing already came. Like, and I promise you, like, I literally just took it out of the box. Like, I did not touch this yet. And I mean, little chintzy. I mean, it was in plastic, but like that definitely looks like dirty and I want to say almost used. And it's like super sloppy. And I never stick welded, so I don't really know how these are supposed to feel. Anyway, so there's that. Oh, and then when I got it, hold on, let me put this down so it doesn't break more. And when I got it was, this door was like pushed into the machine. So like, it was pushed in. So I had unscrewed it, and then plopped that out, because if I would have just pulled it out, I would have damaged it, and then I screwed it back together. And now it definitely, oh, that's kind of annoying. Anyway, so yeah. Here is the clamp that comes with it, the ground clamp. I mean, it's a ground clamp. That one seems okay. Kind of chintzy. I mean, it was $200, so I don't know what I expected, to be honest. I just got this stuff in. So like, I got a gas regulator from Amazon. 20 bucks for that thing. So if you go to like Harbor Freight or anything else, like they're like $70. Like you get them on Amazon for like 20. So like, deal. You know what I mean? Got some extra tips, you know what I mean? That was a steal too. I got like, I want to say 50 of them for like $7. Crazy. Oh, and then I got some 3/0 wire, solid wire. So hopefully, and that was cheap too. That was only like 20 bucks. And I have my ground hooked up to my metal table here. Hopefully I don't damage any of my electronics. So I'm gonna tag it first. I got the machine running on 98 wire feed and 16.9 volts. Let's see what happens. I mean, she's humming. Nice little tack weld on that thing. Not too shabby. Try to weld the inside of this thing. I'm gonna try turning the voltage up, see what that does. I know, it's 22 volts. All right, this is what I got so far. I mean, that looks pretty dang good. I mean, don't look at that atrocity. Like, look at that thing. $200 Amazon, folks. I mean, that's pretty dang good. Would I buy this welder again? Probably. 200 bucks, and I can weld pretty much everything I need to weld. Now, how long is it gonna last? I have no idea. No idea. But from my understanding, they got a pretty good warranty, so we'll see what happens. But thank you for watching. I'm hoping you guys like this kind of content. Really didn't show you much. Just playing around with it. But thanks for watching. Bye.